I'm Ashlyn and my husband Zach, and we're traveling A to Z. This week, we've been exploring the central coast of California. We've been driving up Highway 1 and making multiple stops along the way. Our next stop is to go explore the city of Carmel.
So we're staying at the Wayfarer Inn. It's an older place, but it's really kept up, it's really clean, and it's really quiet and beautiful.
And it's close to town. And they have a cute little garden with a fireplace.
This is a really cool place. It's the Carmel Wayfarer Inn, and there's a little patio outside that we walked up. It was just starting to get dark, so you can't really see it in the camera right now, but it looks really nice. Our little room is a little small, but it's really nice, well kept. Older, but beautiful place.
So here's our room in Carmel. Has a cute little sitting area with a fireplace. Nice little king bed. It's pretty cute. It's close to the city center, so we'll go explore that today and tomorrow and show you a little bit. So we're currently at Pepe's Little Napoli. So this is the restaurant that over 5 people, locals, have recommended. So we have to try it out.
Including my parents.
You're concentrating so hard.
No, there's so much to choose from here.
So apparently, 100-year-old bread recipe for garlic bread. How amazing does that look? How is it?
It's not a day over 90.
We were so full, so we decided to split a chicken parmesan, and they split it for us, and it looks amazing. They have 2 different sauces. So we just arrived to Mission San Carlos Borromeo del Rio Carmelo, also known as the Carmel Mission.
Our second stop is the Mission. This is one of the coolest missions I've ever been to. It's really nice. It's quiet, it's very cozy. I don't know if you can get the feel through video, but it's really nice. It's calming.
Carmel Mission was first built in 1797. It is one of the most authentically restored Roman Catholic mission churches in California. This is the only Spanish mission in California that has its original bell and bell tower. And it is on the National Registry of Historic Places and is a National Historic Landmark. The Carmel Mission was the second mission built by Franciscan missionaries in Upper California. The Carmel Mission served as the headquarters of all the California missions, and it is the final resting place for Father Juniper Serra, who led the establishment of the missions in California in the late 18th century. The mission has a nice little museum that has lots of different artifacts that you could go and look at. The museum is typically closed Mondays and Tuesdays, but is open around 10 a.m. till about 4. So this room has the books from the first library in California. Most of these books are from 1778 or older. In the back of the church, they have a little cemetery that you could walk through.
So in the afternoon, we decided to explore the city. And there's this place, it's on Yelp, it's called Brothy's, and we're gonna go try it out.
Cool. This place is really cool because their walls are covered with lots of different beer cans from all over the world. Grilled cheese sandwich and tomato soup with little tiny, what do you call them? Pickles. With little tiny pickles.
Apparently they have no street numbers here, so using Google Maps makes things kind of difficult. The other thing is, because there's no street numbers, you can't get your mail delivered here. You have to go to the post office to pick it up.
How cool is that? And there is no street lights either, so at night it's super dark.
came down to the beach for the sunset.
And this is what we got.
Sunset.
A beautiful Carmel sunset. Carmel is known for its art galleries and its wonderful restaurants, so we ended up eating our way through Carmel. Our next stop was Monterey Cafe, which is a wonderful Mediterranean restaurant that has live music. This restaurant is super popular and has a lot of reviews on TripAdvisor and Yelp as one of the top restaurants. It has such a fun vibe, and the food we had was amazing. I highly recommend it. We had a lot of fun exploring the central coast of California and Highway 1. We are next going to head to Southern California outside of San Diego and go explore lesser known areas of California in the desert. If you liked our video, please press the like button and please subscribe below to enjoy more adventures.